how to post multiple pictures on one post on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen and then select the post option you see there. Further, tap on the overlapping square icon you see there on the right side corner of your screen. Once tapped, here as you can see, you can add up to 20 photos or videos in your next post. So Instagram allows you to add up to 20 photos for one post. So tap on the OK option you see there and further go ahead and select the pictures that you want to post. Once selected, tap on Next and in the interface that you will then be led to, go ahead and add in music or add text, or you can also add overlay filters and edit your pictures there. Once you are done making the required changes, tap on Next and further go ahead and add a catchy caption for your text and then select the audio if you have not selected already and tag people if necessary and add location if necessary. Finally, tap on the share button on the bottom center of your screen and with this, your post with multiple pictures will be made. So, this is how you can post multiple pictures on one post on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.